to my house. Come on in. Here right in the entryway, we have me running at SD, the 100-meter dash. This is a history in the making picture that Nike made for me. I always use that as a little slogan for myself, history in the making, because one day I hope to make history in my sport. So here's also Miss Gail Devers. She's a person that I look up to. She's a great hurdler and a great sprinter, and I'm trying to achieve everything that she achieved, if not more. I broke her record in college, so I think I'm well on my way. Come on in, here's the living room. We have my best friend Latanya. She's here from Seattle. We grew up together. She's here on the rock band. We love to play PlayStation when we're at home. Just chilling, or it's a Sunday, so this is what we do on Sundays. Play the rock band. Alright, so we'll move out of the living room. Come over here. Down these stairs is just to the garage. We can just take a look down here. We have the laundry room. Clothes in there, you know, we wash clothes. Here's the garage where my cars stay safe and sound. You know, there's no light in there. No light there. Alright, so we'll go back upstairs. We'll take it back upstairs, past the living room again, back upstairs again. So, here we have guest bathroom that I myself personally designed and colored. Okay, and then we have dining area. Once again, this is just a townhouse, big enough for me, but it's my dining room area where we sit down and eat dinner when we have guests, or if we want to chill and watch TV and eat dinner. Here's me and Gail Devers actually on the wall. You'll see a lot of her. In here is the kitchen. Now, this is the hangout spot. Maybe it should stop being the hangout spot because we always are eating and snacking. Sometimes that could be good, sometimes I can't. For me running track, I need to lay out the ice cream bars. We have the island here. And here's my cousin, Stella. She's here from DC. She moved to LA recently and she's in here cooking us up a meal.
Collard greens.
What are you cooking, Stella?
Collards. I'm making some prep for tomorrow. Y'all ready to eat?
Smells good. I want to dive right in. Stella's a chef. She went to culinary school. Here's my little wine refrigerator. Have a little bit of wine, you know, for guests. Need to stock up. No, I'm not much of a drinker though, you know, with being an athlete and all. Here's, can come over here to my refrigerator, which is a packed house. It's not nicely neat and organized because, you know, whose refrigerator is. But we have our water, fruit, meat, vegetables. We're getting all the food groups over here. Got the pantry, fully stocked with snacks. Some of it's healthy food, some of it's not. Of course, my favorite, popcorn. Alright, so that's enough of the kitchen. We'll go upstairs and take a look at the rooms.